Number 51. What is a common occurrence when a vessel is running into a shallow water? Answer: squat will cause a decrease in bottom clearance and an increase in draft. Number 52. Polaris is always within how many degrees of the North Pole? Answer: 1 degree. Number 53. As a general rule, a ULCC should not have a speed in any direction greater than what speed when touching berth? Answer: 0.10 knots. Number 54. A vessel is following a range to keep herself within a narrow channel. The chart indicates the range to be 1 degree. The vessel is on range when she is steering a course of. Answer: 1 degree true. Number 55. The standard time meridian for zone description -1 is. Answer: 15 degrees east. Number 56. The mean distance between the Earth and the Sun is. Answer: 1 astronomical unit AU. Number 57. One complete turn of the drum of the sextant moves the index arm along the arc is equal to. Answer: 1 degree. Number 58. Out of the 57 navigational stars tabulated in the Nautical Almanac, how many are of the first magnitude? Answer: 19. Number 59. Out of the 57 navigational stars tabulated in the Nautical Almanac, how many are of the second magnitude? Answer: 38. Number 60. Polaris is always within how many degrees of the North Pole? Answer: 1 degree. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated, for our next upcoming video.